Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, kind of like today's, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important on YouTube, so if you're enjoying the content or you've come back to watch more of my videos, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber, so I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. I can barely contain myself because today is the day that I get to tell you about the Truewants Needed Bag Volume 7. Can you believe that it is our 7th volume? I can't. But how this all fell into place is what is making this bag extra special. The reason being is the end of July is my 2nd anniversary on YouTube. I cannot believe that I have been doing this for 2 years. So the fact that this is the 7th month and this is our volume 7 bag, we decided to put in 7 items in this bag. It's just lucky 7 is what we're going to be calling this bag. I am so excited to share this with you guys. So we're also going to have an improving lifestyle products in this bag. I also know that some of you like this to remain a mystery. The key is right now, and I've shared this in a couple of videos prior to this one, is this is the actual launch video. So if you want this to remain a mystery, then it's your turn to go right away to improvinglifestyles.com, go to that pink box on that homepage, press it, and you will see all the volumes that are still available in very limited quantities. So thank you to everybody, because when those are gone, they're gone. But look for number 7 if you have all the other ones. Press on that and you will be getting it. All right. For all the girls that like to know what's in the bag, continue watching. But like I said, right now, the way we're doing this is when we're launching, which is right now, these are the quantities that are there. There's going to be no replenishment. We were only able to get a certain amount. I'm hoping that everybody who wants a bag will be able to get a bag. And, you know, we're trying to do it this way as opposed to in the past. I kept replenishing and putting different mystery items, so a lot of you would be able to get the bags, and a lot of you did, and a lot of you replenished and things like that, and I thank you all for that. But it was just too much for us to do. So what we're bringing in right now, and the way I told you in the last bag, how we're doing this is we're bringing in a certain amount of volume, and when it sells out, it is gone. All right, so this is our volume 7. So let me get started and telling you everything that's in this bag. So starting with, of course, the Improving Lifestyle product, which is leather. It is the softest leather you will ever feel, but it is so durable. This is our waist bag. A lot of people call this fanny packs. A lot of people wear these now as a crossbody bag. This is a fantastic bag. And this one is really unique. And there's so many features to this. Also, what I'm going to be doing, because there's so many pockets in here, I'm going to be putting in majority of the pockets one of the items, and all the items are going to be individually wrapped, so you'll be able to see that in there, and I'll go through those as we get to them. But I definitely want to go through all the features in this, because this is what they call the hero product and what started this whole volume 7. As you can see here, there will be something here that says that this is leather, and as you know, on all the bags that we have, there's always a little bit more to it than the average bag. So starting in the first section here, there will be a zipper up in front. This is a working zipper and the pocket right in front. Right behind it, there is a second zipper. And in this zipper, there is a mesh area in the bottom here that also has a zipper. And then in this area here, you have the credit card as well as the window ID, an area to put a pen, as well as to hang your keys. Behind this, there is still another zipper. And let me see if I can find it. It's right here. And it has these extra leather pull tags on it, which makes it easy to find. You open it, and then there is another area here. In this second area here, I also put, and I have a large phone, and that fits right in there. So just in the front alone, before you even get into the bag, you have 3 different sections, which is mind-blowing. Then there are 2 front little pockets here that are Velcroed. Inside here is where I keep my lip balms and my Kleenex or the hotel key, everything that I want quick access to, and there's 2 identical ones on either side. Then we get into the main area of the bag. This is a half moon up here, and it also has 2 zippers where you can open it on either side, and then it opens fully to a huge, huge pocket inside here. Inside this pocket, there is still some more organization. There's another zipper area, as well as some more credit card areas here. This is, it's beautifully, beautifully done. And it is fully padded, is just fantastic. Then in the back of the bag, there is an additional zipper that goes the length of the bag, and this pocket is just as deep too. This is one of our top sellers, and now especially with everybody getting back to traveling or wanting to go for long hikes, and you have to carry a lot of things, this is the best bag. It's not heavy, it is lightweight enough that it is just scrumptious, and it is feels just beautiful. So this is the first item, and as you know, when I put all these other items in the bag, this alone pays for the bag. So I wanted to definitely put a pair of sunglasses in a summer bag. And because the summer beach bag that we had everything and the price, I wanted to keep it a certain level, this was gonna be, the sunglasses were gonna be in the next bag. What I wanted were oversized aviators. They come in different colors, but they're all pretty much a large aviator style sunglasses. So everyone's going to be getting a pair of oversized aviators. On top of it, I put what I call a microfiber glass case. They fit in here beautifully, even though these are oversized. But what's great about these is that you can also use these to clean your glasses as well. So really wanted to make sure that you guys had that. Then the next item was one that is for all of us who open up packages. A lot of times when I watch other girls on the channels, they're using everything to open up their boxes, including open scissors and things like that. What I've been using, and a lot of girls wouldn't, invest in something like this, so I wanted to make sure to share this with you guys. First of all, it is the cutest knife, which we call the, it's a Floral Box Cutter. This is a retractable one. As you press it, the knife will come up. When you release your finger, you don't have to worry, it's locked. Then you move it back and forth to whichever way that you want. I don't think it locks. It goes to the area that you want to go, and it opens up that way. But it is fantastic. I've been using this for the longest time, no problems at all. It is heavy. It is a heavy duty one. It's not plastic. It's just fantastic. I can't wait for you guys to get a hold of this. And on top of it, it's really cute. So this was the other item that I wanted to share with you in the bag. The next one was something that I've also been using for a long time, and then I realized I should be putting this in one of the bags. This is a lightweight flashlight that also has a key holder on it, but it is an LED, and it has seven LED lights in here, and you'll see how bright this is when I put it on. It is so fantastic and so important that that we always have a little flashlight with us, so that when you're going on a walk or you're looking for your car and it's late at night and you come out of the movie theater, it's so important. But every one that I've always held in my hands was so heavy. This one also has a little of what we call the bling, and then on top of it, it has that bright light. So I take this when I go for a walk, so that if my walk goes longer and it starts to go into sunset, I don't have to worry. I always have a flashlight with me. And like I said, it's lightweight, and that's what was important to me, as well as the key ring. So that was the other item that I wanted to put in here. The next one was one that I fell in love with, and I've been using, and I said, you know what, I should give this to the girls as well. This is a compact mirror. One side is plain, the other one is magnified, but this one has those gorgeous, I don't even know how to explain this. It reminds me of a kid when we had snow globes. That's what this looks like here. And that is the side. The other side is plain. They're all going to be different paisley prints. And like I said, one side of this is a magnifying mirror and the other side is a plain mirror, and it closes shut, so it's easy to travel with, and it's also not that heavy. So you're getting a fantastic, really cute, you know, if you want to take it out when you're putting your lipstick on and stuff, it's definitely a piece that you would definitely be talking about, and everyone's going to ask you where you got it. It is so cute. And then the last item was something that I fell in love with, and I only had a small version of it, and I've only seen it in small versions. And this is the glass nail file, and it is a large one, and it comes, of course, with some bling, which makes it more fun, but it is a full size. And these are absolutely fantastic. If you're gonna file your nails, you should always be using these glass nail files because they don't tear your nails at all. And it is dual-sided. It is just, I never had a large one. So when I saw this large one, I bought it, of course, for myself. And then I said, you know what? I should grab this for one of our bags. And this is the bag that it's ending up in. So this is absolutely fantastic. And they're saying this is a hygienic, non-porous glass surface. It's not easy to get it dirty, and they can be cleaned with water and used repeatedly. All right, and that's it. So that's everything that we got in the bag. Like I said, everything is going to be packaged individually with our business card from Improving Lifestyles. And make sure that when you get the bag, you open up every single pocket, because one of these items is going to be in each individual pocket. All right, so want to make sure that everybody knows everything that's going to be in the bag. Like I said, this is the launch. So if you are interested in this bag, make sure to go to improvinglifestyles.com. I will have all the direct links underneath in the description box. Make sure to go to the pink box that says Truewants. You go in there and you will see access to all of our bags. This one is going to be called Lucky 7, and it is our volume 7 bag. Please share in the comments down below if you're just as excited about this bag as I am. Share in the comments if you're getting it. I am so excited to be able to share this with you. Thank you to everybody who has made the Truewants Need It bag something that ended up being that I wanted to share, and then you guys are saying it is definitely a need for you too. So thank you for making this a reality for us too. So can't believe it's 2 years on YouTube, as well as I can't believe we're talking about a volume 7 of the Truewants Need It bag. So congratulations to everybody who's able to get it. Make sure to go right now to get it, because like I said, our quantities are limited and we are not replenishing. And any other bags that are still available in that same area, the same thing. Whatever's available is what we can send to you. If it's sold out, it is sold out and it is retired. All right? Once again, thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.